Hey y'all, it's Charlie Michelle Patton here, and today, as you can see by the title, we're gonna be making slime. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and push post notifications where you'll never miss a video like this one. And please like every single one of my videos. And if you comment down below, hashtag Charlie Patton's awesome, and subscribe, ring the bell, and like, I'll be giving these big school glue slime jug, which is a gallon glue. And without further ado, let's get on to the video. Let me just put it down, sorry. So what you need is a bowl. This one's has shaving cream in it because I made this slime earlier today. At the end, I'll show you like me playing with the slime and stuff. My phone's on the charger. So, first you're gonna do is put glue in. As how much glue you put in is determine how much slime you will get. I think I put too much because the containers I have are this big, and if I don't have enough, if I had too much, I'll just give it to my dad. And then you would need baking soda. I got the big pack, but I don't know why. Little at a time. I'm probably too late doing slime videos. It's like over now, but put some eye contact solution in. I recommend this kind. I'm just gonna mix now. This one. I'm gonna put some more of this baking soda in. I also recommend this baking soda. I don't know why. You're probably thinking, well, they're all the same, but they're not. You can buy those at your local store. I bought mine at Walmart. Actually, Target, actually. Fun fact, I posted another slime video yesterday, but I wanted to post it, but then I couldn't post it because my aunt dislocated her toe, her big toe. We had to take her to the hospital. And then I took the video after we came back from the hospital. This video is actually going to be like making slime / what I do in the day kinda / room tour / I don't even know anymore. I'm going to put some more of this eye contact solution in. Probably thinking, oh, this slime's taking forever. I want your slime to go, you take time. You know. Ooh, that was good actually. Oh yeah, and then you'll need shaving cream. I forgot to put that in. Well, if you want your slime to be fluffy. This slime is not fluffy, it's just like normal, regular type slime. Ooh, I think I'm gonna like this one. I don't want all my slimes to be like the same, you know. That's why I didn't do the other one fluffy. This feels good actually. I'm actually gonna put some more baking soda in because it's a little sticky. You wonder where I am. I'm on the floor by the window. The carpet. So if I got this on the carpet, I'll be dead. This is actually really good slime. So y'all, if you don't know how to make slime, you probably do. But I recommend glue, alcohol solution, and baking soda. And shaving cream. Wow, this actually feels like the best slime I ever made, probably.
You need to start posting those videos. You're key.
Dad, be quiet. I am gonna post this. Maybe. Slime, 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 slime. Dad, can you give me the container floor? Thanks. I said a container, not the whole container.
This is good slime you got these.
That was extra from the one because some of that slime didn't fit in the other that
Yeah, I like
container.
this slime. Look.
Wow.
Perfect.
This one feels actually. I'm just gonna play with it. My other videos, you guys commented, play with your slime more. You don't even play with it after you're done making videos. It's
You like this
lame.
making, don't
What?
you? You like making it.
Yeah, I don't even like to play with it that much. I just make it. It's fun. It's me. It's a music video.
Weird that this is glue, contact solution, and
Baking soda. Baking soda. I got baking soda. Not really. After this video, I want to see who invented. There's this one girl, I forgot her name on YouTube. She's like the smart slime queen.
this slime's good. You know why?
Why?
Clean it. So I just take the hair out. It came out easy.
Obviously, I put too much glue in. And also, I'll be giving a giveaway for my slime kit. It's gonna be here in about 2 weeks. Two to the weeks. I had more slime, but my cousin, he took it, and I lost it, and yeah. Dad, here's some more slime. Dad.
You want another one? Here.
I put too much glue in it. And I called this successful. This is actually really good slime, guys. I can make a slime swirl. It's so beautiful. I actually don't have that much videos on my channel because I haven't been posting that much videos. Because, yeah. It's me, I win, and you lose, haha. I'm gonna put some later because we need to go to this. Dad, we need to go to the store and buy food coloring, okay? Later today, we're gonna go to the store and get.
It looks like an egg.
Wow. We have to get food coloring to make it pretty.
Hey, you know how you do it?
I know.
This. Help. And this is
Yeah, until you miss it and go on the couch and it doesn't come off. I'm just I got, if you go to your Walmart, Target, I say Walmart because it's more cheaper. There's these were $2 in this icon solution, but there's this other one that you got one for $4, and I got this one. I'm gonna put that right behind the camera. Put this right on the lid of the glue. Glue. I'm gonna go over here. My two slimes right here. And baking soda right there. And shaving cream. So, I don't know, it's so zoomed in. So that's what you practically need. Baking soda, shaving cream, glue, iconic cream, bowl, plate, bowl. Yeah. And Dad's watching. Oops. Basketball. Can we go to the park today, Dad?
Yeah.
Ooh, I'm gonna make a YouTube video later on the park. So that's it for this video. Bye y'all. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment down below. Charlie Patton Awesome.